Welcome, my dear students. This video is for class 8. Subject is computer. I'm your computer teacher, Anuradha Gupta, going to explain chapter 4 in this video. This video is the part 1 of chapter 4, charts in MS Excel. Students, please mark this video is the part 1 of chapter 4, charts in MS Excel. Let's start the video. In this video, you are going to learn about charts, components of a chart, various type of charts provided by MS Excel. So let's start with the MS Excel. In MS Excel, we are representing information in numeric form. When we are converting this numeric data in a form of picture, that pictorial representation of data or information is known as chart or graph. Now I come to the book words. MS Excel is used to present information in the form of numeric data. We can also represent numeric data in a form of picture, and that picture representation is called a chart or graph. Now, next, you need to know why we are creating charts in MS Excel. What are the advantages of creating charts in MS Excel? So, have a look here. Charts and graphs can be used to present data and information in an attractive manner. When we are getting data in form of picture with the different colors, they give a look like they attract us, they represent in an attractive manner. Chart or graph are easier to understand and they give long-lasting impression on our mind, so we can remember charts or graphs for the long time. And when we are getting data in form of picture, it is easy to compare them. All these are the advantages of creating charts in MS Excel. This is about the first topic of this video, charts. Let's move to the second topic of the video, and that is components of a chart. First is plot area. Second, y-axis. Y-axis is also known as value axis. Then x-axis. X-axis is also known as category axis. Fourth, data points. Fifth component of a chart is chart area. Sixth component of a chart is legends. Let's learn each component of a chart through picture. Let's first discuss about the plot area. This is a rectangular area bounded by two axes where chart is plotted. Students, please note down where I'm rolling my cursor. That area is known as plot area. Second is y-axis. Y-axis is also known as value axis as well as vertical axis. Students, please note down where I'm rolling my cursor. That axis is known as y-axis. Move on to the third component of a chart, and that is x-axis. X-axis is also known as category axis as well as horizontal axis. Students, please note down where I'm rolling my cursor. That axis is known as x-axis. Move on to the fourth component of a chart, and that is point data points. The bars, lines, slices, or other elements represents the data value that are known as data points. Easily you can identify through the picture where I'm rolling my cursor that are known as data points, which we are plotting on our chart. That points are known as data points. Move on to the fifth component of a chart, and that is which include all the objects of a chart. That area is known as chart area. Students, are you getting this outer rectangular big box? This area is known as chart area. It includes all the objects of a chart. Let's move to the sixth component of a chart, and that is legend. This identifies each data series in a unique color or pattern. Just have a look this picture. In this chart, we represented English with the blue color, math with the red color, science with the green color. I hope you all understood the components of a chart. This is our second topic of the video. Let's move to the third topic of the video, and that is types of chart. MS Excel provides 7 different types of charts. Let's learn their name first. Column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, scattered chart, other chart. Now, with their names, we will learn these type of charts in detail. Let's learn first about the column chart. Column chart displays data in vertical manner. Look, the data points all are appearing in vertical manner. This is about the column chart. Second type of chart is line chart. Line chart displays data in a form of different lines. Just look the data points. Data points are joined with the help of different lines. Move on to the third type of chart, that is pie chart. Pie chart displays data in a comparative manner, or we can say at one time pie chart represents one set of data series, like all the students' marks in one subject. I repeat, all the students' marks in one subject, or one student all the subject marks. In the second example, we displayed pie chart of Ria all the subject marks. Let's move to the fourth type of chart, and that is bar chart. Bar chart displays data in horizontal manner, or we can say it is just opposite column chart. Move on to the next fifth type of chart, that is area chart. It fills the area of the data points with colors. Let's move to the sixth type of chart, and that is a scatter chart. A scatter chart displays pairs of values in scattered form. Have a look on the screen, students. Data points are represented with different geometrical shapes, like English represented with diamond, maths represented with a square, science represented with triangle shape. This is about the sixth type of chart, that is scattered chart. Move on to the seventh, other charts. Other chart includes surface chart, donut chart, bubble chart, and radar chart. All these different charts comes in other chart. Now we move on to the one more heading here, that is subtype chart. Students, please note down, this is not any type of chart. Here you are going to learn subtypes of each type of chart. Let's start with the first type of chart, that is column chart. Column chart have its subtype like 2D column, 3D column, cylinder, cone, pyramid. Move on to the next, line chart. Line chart having its two subtype, 2D line, 3D line. Let's move on to the third type of chart, that is pie chart. Pie chart have its two subtype, 2D pie, 3D pie. Move on to the fourth type of chart, bar chart. Bar chart has its five subtypes like 2D bar, 3D bar, cylinder, cone, pyramid. Move on to the fifth type of chart, that is area chart. In area chart, we have the two subtype, and that is 2D area and 3D area. Move on to the sixth type of chart, that is scattered chart. In scattered chart, we have the subtypes like 2D scattered, 3D scattered, and so on. Let's move to the seventh type of chart, that is other chart. In other charts, all the type of charts are having their subtype. Students, please note, all 7 type of charts are having their subtype. This is about this video. Here you have learned the 3 topics. Let's again memorize them. First, we have learned about the chart, then components of a chart. Under components of the chart, you learn these 6 components of a chart: plot area, y-axis, x-axis, data points, chart area, and legend. Our third topic was type of charts. In type of charts, you have learned 7 different type of charts: column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, scatter chart, and other chart. If you got this video, let's do some activity. For this, you need to bring one pen and a piece of paper. Students, please pause the video and bring one pen and a piece of paper to check your knowledge, how much you got about this topic. Let's start with our first question. Write any one advantage of creating charts in MS Excel. I give you 1 minute time to please write down answer on a paper. Hurry up students, whatever you learned in this video, please write down that on a piece of paper about one advantage of creating chart in MS Excel. Let's move up to our second question. Identify the component of a chart. Please find it out this. What we are calling this component of a chart. Write down your answer on your paper. This is the B part of the same question. Please identify both the components of a chart and write your answer on a paper. Let's move on to the third question. Identify the type of chart. Please identify the name of this type of chart and write down on your paper. Move on to the next. B part of this question is on the screen. Please identify the name of these type of charts and write down on the paper. I hope you all have written these three answers on your paper. If you completed, let's move to the answers. Now we are going to check our answers. Let's look the first question. Write any one advantage of creating chart in MS Excel. Charts represent data in an attractive manner. Charts are easier to understand. Charts are easy for comparison. Charts gives long-lasting impression on mind. Students, if you have written any one correct advantage, tick your answer and give 10 marks to yourself. Let's move to the second question. Identify the component of a chart. Our first component is plot area and second is legends. If your both answers are correct, give a tick and give 10 marks to yourself. And then move on to the third question. Identify the type of chart. Let's look the A part, that is bar chart. Second is area chart. I hope you have written the correct answer. Take your answer and give the 10 marks. Now we will check our score. If your score is 30, then excellent. It means you attended the class sincerely. If your score is 20, it's good, something you missed. Watch the video again. And if your score is 10 or below 10, you need to watch the video again and you need to write all the correct answers on a paper. Students, one more thing, share your score in the comment box with your name, class, and section. I hope you all enjoyed learning computers with me, Anuradha Gupta. Bye-bye for now. Soon we will meet in the next video. Bye-bye for now. Thank you, students. Thank you for attending video classes.